Hello everyone, just thought I'd share this with you. A Redneck starter. So, the starter broke. It's a Quantum 35, if you know what that is. They have this vertical starter. I think they're referred to as a vertical starter considering it's up and down. But it's up on here, at least it was. I tried disassembling it and I ended up shearing a bolt. I ended up shearing a bolt, and well, that was the end of that. String was destroyed anyway. Here is some of its string remains. It's not in good shape. It's not very long, but it works. I tied a few knots, only 3, and unfortunately I didn't get it very tight here. But I got this nice tin can, nice and sturdy too. And you can see down there I put the lock washer, and there's the nut. I took the... Okay, so let me tell you how I did this. I took the blade off, which is freshly sharpened. You can probably see the black paint on there. It's just redone. But I bolted a Chevy wheel to it. That is not a joke. I bolted a Chevy car wheel to it. One of the lug areas, just to hold that from spinning, because the blade kept spinning on the way it's held in there. So I just gave up that and bolted on a 16-inch, I believe it is, Chevy wheel. Anyway, got that off. I got the nut off, rather. Drilled some holes on the bottom of the can, drilled a notch here, and I got this tin can here. And I said, tied some knots. So I got this all together, and enough annoying you, not getting to the point. It's pretty obvious that this mower is not in good shape. The body actually has huge cracks in it. Let's go start it up. There you go. Beautiful, isn't it? Anyway, I do have plans. This is not going to be the body. I'm planning to try to get a 1989 Toro with a blown Tecumseh engine. I'm going to put this on there, and that's my pull start. It's an old, worn-out mower anyway, so I'll have a nice aluminum deck Toro. So, can't wait to share that with you. I'll make it look a bit better whenever it's on that Toro, because I want it to look like a really nice mower, considering what the Toro was. So I'd like to bring that back to life after sitting for about 20 years. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. Thanks for watching, and bye.